guys, today we're gonna be making
Ratatouille.
Hey guys, today we're gonna be making
Ratatouille.
Yay! Today we're gonna be making Ratatouille because it's been Joseph's favorite movie for the past, I don't know, a week. Okay, so we're gonna make Ratatouille.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we gonna do first? The sauce? We are going to peel the tomatoes. We're gonna take the skins off and we're gonna roast our peppers. I'm just gonna char them on the stove, and Joseph and Rabbi, he's gonna help Joseph to roast these on the stovetop. I can help. There you go. So now we're gonna peel our tomatoes. Joseph is gonna help us make a small little incision, guys. A small little X. And then Mama is gonna come in and I am going to take off the little tomato butt. Tomato butt. Like that. Now we are gonna do 4 of them.
Let me.
Okay.
Oh, tomato.
Tomato, run away, tomato. There, now the other side. Period. Let me see, show Mama.
I just had to spin it, and it just looks like a T.
Yeah.
Tomato butt.
What are you cutting?
The tomato butt.
Period. Okay, drop them into the boiling water. Good job. In order for us to take off the charness or the char, we're gonna make them sweat. So we're gonna put them in this plastic bag for about 5 to 10 minutes so they can cool down, sweat, and it's gonna make it easy for us to remove the skin. Okay, now we're gonna let this rest for 10 minutes. Now that our tomatoes we just blanch them for like about 2-3 minutes, just so we can remove the skin. And then we're going to put them in a bowl with ice. Yeah, just like that.
Mom, the tomato is butt naked.
Oh, good.
It's butt naked.
What is this?
A tomato butt.
We're gonna cut it in half. Look, half. Watch it with your fingers. Small. Can Mama help you?
Why?
You got it? Now, we're gonna peel the chiles like this. You can also just use your nail, but you can use your knife too. There you go. We are gonna cut these into squares.
Look at Mom.
I see, baby. There. We also have some shallots.
Okay. Mom.
You look so cute.
Show everybody your eyes. Show them your eyes. What's happening?
We're burning.
My eyes! Oh, baby! Your eye, baby! That's just like your dad. I showed you, puppy.
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille? He showed you? Is he helping you cook?
Yeah, the one he eats garbage. And he said, let's fix it garbage.
He does. And
Yeah.
he showed you how to cook?
Yeah.
Smash it. There you go. Oh, yeah. There you go. Okay, now cut it.
That's a crack.
You have to get in cracks. There you go. See how it doesn't slip like that? Good job. Smash, smash, smash.
Period. It's okay, 5-second rule.
We lost about 7 garlics. Okay, in this pot we have a little bit of olive oil. Joseph is going to add our shallots and our garlic. Now we need a spoon so we can stir. Slowly we're gonna stir. Now we're adding the bell peppers. Tomato time. We're gonna add some salt, pepper, and some red wine. Oh, we also need to add some thyme and oregano. There you go. Period. What is that? That's called oregano. Stir. Now we're gonna add everything to the blender so we can blend this and make a smooth sauce. Huh, puppy?
It just made the middle.
We're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of oil. That way our sauce can get nice and thick. We forgot to add basil, guys. We're gonna get the sauce and we're gonna pour it into the strainer. There we go. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of water to our blender. That way we get everything. He needs background music, but he don't want to get copyrighted. So.
It's too pokey.
Oh, add the chicken bouillon. Good job. Good job. The sauce is nice and bubbly. We're gonna turn it off and we're gonna give it a taste. Try it. What do you think? Is it yummy or no?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to cut up all of our vegetables. We have some Chinese eggplants. These are the longer ones, not the big ones. That we're using this one obviously so it can match the shape of the rest of the squash. We're gonna start with the eggplants and then we're going to put our slices into ice water. We're making them 1/8 of an inch thick. I am hoping that's what 1/8 looks like. This is way too thin, so it's gonna cook too fast. And then your dish is just gonna be too watery. You're gonna grab the eggplant up like this, grab it, down from here to here, like that. And then we're going to make slices. What the hell? Okay, so we changed machinery because the other one, I don't know if it's not sharp enough. Most of our mandolins are brand new, but that one's not working. And it keeps tearing up our eggplant, which is not looking cute. But it's doing all the other ones, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other ones. He just ate raw zucchini. But I think I'm gonna be doing this alone, maybe. Joseph can help out, but he can only help out a little. And this is also tearing this up, so we're gonna do this one by hand. Pay attention to the sizes on these summer squash. Make sure that they're not coming out uneven. If you guys don't put the eggplant in water as you're cutting, it's gonna go brown. So make sure that you keep it in water, cold water, so they can stay white. I'm gonna cut these by hand because it's damaging our eggplant.
You need a green?
We're also gonna be doing the tomatoes.
Why?
Because that's fruit.
All right, guys, we are ready. All right, so now we are gonna start making our little stacks. I have the tomato towards the end. I believe you can do whatever you want. It is your ratatouille. Okay, tomato, my eggplant, summer squash, they're all different sizes. I really tried so hard to get everything the same size, but I hope it's not a problem. Anyways, I'm gonna get to it. Now we're gonna cover the bottom of our baking dish with our sauce. You don't wanna add too much where your vegetables are floating and then your dish is gonna become too soggy. You just wanna add enough to cover the bottom of your baking dish. I have Joseph and my sister pre-making my patterns. That way it was easier for me just to grab them and then put them around the dish. You can also put them at an angle. I stacked mine standing because they were all in different shapes and I wanted to make sure that the green was peeking out. Once you have it all assembled and it looks like this, you're going to drizzle some olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and then you're going to cover it using a sheet of parchment paper. Pop it in the oven at 375 degrees for 45 minutes. The moment of truth, we have our ratatouille. I don't think anybody's gonna just wanna eat the ratatouille just like this. I added some ground beef into the leftover sauce and some cheese. For Jose, we're gonna make his ratatouille with a bed of this cheesy, beefy sauce. And then we're gonna put this on top. Now for plating, I'm gonna be using these little round molds. All I do is grab some of the ratatouille, put it in the mold, and then I press on it. I reserved some of the sauce that we had made and I put it in squeeze bottles. That way I can just drizzle around it. I also made a little scallion oil and then add a single chive on top. I was preparing them in different ways depending on everybody's liking. Some of them wanted the beefy, cheesy sauce. Others did not. So this is for my sister. So we're gonna add that beefy, cheesy sauce to the bottom of our mold. Now we're gonna stack our ratatouille on top, pressing, making sure that everything gets the shape of the mold. I remove the mold, then I drizzle with a little bit more of our sauce, our scallion oil, and then our single chive. Now, the hard work was 100% worth it. It is so pretty. Now we gotta see if the looks match the taste. Are you ready to try your ratatouille?
Yeah.
Is it yummy? Well, come and tell us. You don't know. Is it yummy? Want some more? What do you think? Tell us, is it yummy?
Yeah.
Missing out. Missing out. Here you go. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching Joseph create his delicious ratatouille. We're gonna continue watching Ratatouille for the next following weeks.
Mom,
What?
What's with Ratatouille?
Huh?
Ratatouille on my tablet.
And your tablet. Next time, we're gonna try another dish from another of his favorite movies. Joseph, what's your other favorite movie besides Ratatouille?
Ratatouille.
Which one?
Ratatouille.
He still hasn't figured it out yet. But anyways, guys, once we find out another of his favorite movies, we'll try to make another of his dish. In the meantime, we're gonna sit down and have dinner. Thank you for following us. Thank you for following the recipe. Don't forget to follow us on all other platforms of social media, TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. But thank you so much, guys. Bye.